What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Destiny's World. And I know it's been a minute. I know. I'm glad you guys still subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Destiny. I'm a mother of four and two beautiful girls, two beautiful boys, ages 7, 5, 3, and 2. And today I will be doing a cooking video. I know I haven't been on here in a while, so I'm trying to get back into my YouTube and, getting the feel for it again. So just, come along for the ride and just enjoy this little video that I got for you. On this part of the video, you can see me cutting up my cabbage, and look, I struggle to cut my cabbage up, so don't judge me. You can even see me pause it to, get myself together. The angles I was cutting, I know you was like, girl, don't cut yourself, but yeah, right here, I'm cutting my cabbage, and, it gets crazy. And don't judge the way I cut my cabbage, and I know I probably threw away half of the cabbage, but this is how I cut my cabbage. I know. Everybody else cut their cabbage different. This is how I do mine. I don't like all the hard pieces. I cut it to my liking. I'm the only one eating. My kids don't eat it. So, hey, don't judge me. And I know you hear my kids in the background playing. They're in the living room watching TV and playing around. So if you hear them, excuse it. I try to keep them, as quiet as I could. But you know how kids is. For some reason, they have their own rooms and they love to play in the living room. So just excuse my kids in the background. I got my bowl right here. If you got this far in the video, thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Don't be afraid to leave a comment, and negative or positive. I take them all. Just don't be afraid to leave a comment. I'm just trying to start back to getting into YouTube, and I'm gonna be consistent. I work full time, 40 hours a week, so it's just bear with me. I'm gonna try to do the best I can by being consistent uploading, but thank you guys for watching, and just continue to watch me, and just continue to support your girl. And I know you can see right here I was having problems with this cabbage, so I have to pause it because I didn't want to cut myself, and the way I was cutting, baby, it looked like that was gonna happen. So I have to pause it, regroup, get it together, and come back, and then show you guys what I was doing. Okay, right here I finally got done with the cabbage. It's like that cabbage took forever. God damn. But now I'm just disinfecting my little area where I was cutting the cabbage at. You're supposed to clean as you go, so you don't have too much of a mess to clean up once you're done cooking. So yeah, right here you just see me, cleaning my little area so I can move on to the next thing that I need to, prep to cook.
March. This ain't even for February.
Now right here you just see me getting ready to wash and let my cabbage soak while I start on my sausages to put in my cabbage. Usually I put bacon, but I didn't have no bacon, so I just went ahead with the sausage because I didn't feel like going to the store and doing all that. So while my cabbage is soaking, I was getting ready to cook my sausage and everything. Now, once again, excuse my kids in the background because it's like they just keep getting louder and louder and louder. Like I keep telling them to be quiet and they just, they doing them. So I ain't finna argue with them. But just excuse them. I'm sorry. I apologize in advance if you don't like the noise in the background. It'll get better. I promise you. I'm working on it. But no, I'm just flipping my chicken, getting ready to, cut it with the barbecue sauce, letting it marinate in that butter. Then I'm gonna add that barbecue sauce on there, let it marinate. It's gonna be falling off the bone. And let me put y'all onto the barbecue sauce. This barbecue sauce right here, the best barbecue sauce. I promise you. I use it for everything that, I use barbecue sauce on. My kids love this barbecue sauce. I don't like that sweet sauce, all that sweet barbecue sauce. I don't like all that. This is the best barbecue sauce right here. So you're going to see me putting it on and putting it back in the oven and let it marinate in the oven with the barbecue sauce. I promise you. I promise you. That's how you get it falling off the bone, tender, all in. That I hate dry chicken, so I promise you this chicken recipe right here, falling off the bone, good. Them kids toe it up, I toe it up. This is how it looks. Now right here, I know some people gonna be upset about how much food accent I use in this rice, but this is how I cook my rice. To get the flavor, I use food accent. I don't use nothing else, no seasonings, no chicken bouillon, none of that. I put the rice, use 2 cups of water. I add a little more water because I noticed it wasn't enough, so I added like 2 cups and then I added another half cup. But I put the rice in there. I go in with the food accent and I mix it up and add my water, cover it up and let it boil. I don't go stir it. I just let it boil till it get a little fluffy. But I know people gonna say something about how much food accent I put in there, but listen, don't knock it till you try it. And the food accent is what gives it the flavor. So I know some people gonna be like, damn, that's a lot of, it's a lot, but it's not. And the flavor of the rice was good. It brings out the flavor of the rice. So yeah. It is not so Now I know it got loud in the background. My kids didn't have school today, so I'm trying to, talk a little over the noise with the voiceover because I know you can hear them in the background saying they had a good, day not going to school because my kids were sick and I decided not to let them go because they were sick and I didn't want to get the other kids sick by letting my kids go to school sick. So I wanted them to stay home and they actually cried to stay home. Cried to stay home, and then it turned out for them to be having a good day. They got all type of stuff. So that's what you heard them in the background talking about. But I know they was talking about it loud, so I was trying to, cover it up with a little voiceover. So if you heard that, that's what's going on in the background.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves. So then, why?
If you got this far in the video, again, thank you for watching. Thank you for getting this far in the video. Just continue to watch me. I promise you I'm going to be more consistent. Just go around. Just thank you for, just supporting me at this point. Just continue to like my videos, subscribe, comment if you want. Just don't be coming with no crazy stuff. And just see what I got to offer you guys. Different stuff. I know everybody bring the same thing to YouTube, so I'm just trying to bring something different. Just, my little touch on things. Because, everybody not me. And I'm a fun person. I like to laugh, have a good time. I make my little jokes, joke around. But, yeah. Right here, you see this little piece of chicken fell off the bone. I promise you that chicken fell off the bone, y'all. It was so good. But yeah, I'm almost done. You're going to see me cooking this cabbage. And once this cabbage done, I'm going to show y'all my plate. And baby, it was a good time. We went in. We tore it up. My kids liked it. They ate it. And after this, they got them a shower and a good movie to put on and got in the bed. And, got they ready for school tomorrow because, it's time. They had a day off. It's time to go back. They feeling better now. They got to go.
I, 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 I,
You guys have reached the ending of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Come back again.